These slides present the coverage topic of this course, which is audio, video, and production. So, first, since the course will focus on the production, so it must know what a production is all about. So, first, let's define production. Define production. So, production is the process of making a movie, a play, or a record from components or raw materials. So, it describes how a movie is staged on how a record is produced. So, let's define audio. So, audio is a sound. So obviously audio is a sound in a context of broadcast and online sound recording, so production and distribution. So video is a recording of movie visual images. So that is the production, audio, and video. So what if we combine these three categories? So when we are combining these categories, so it will be a audio and video production. It's all about making a movie or a record that it describes the stages to go through which in order to produce an audio or video. So in this course, so we will tackle all of these stages together with all of the elements needed for a production. So with this icon, what is the meaning of this icon? So it is a kind of mic. Then so obviously it means for recording on audio. So it is a called of audio production. So these are types of production. So first, let's discuss audio production. So this audio production is a process of recording an audio incorporated to other types of production. So this is all about audio or pure audio recording. So there have no video that included with this production. So it only pure a audio recording. So film production, this is a film production. So it is a process of making a film. So without a audio, so it is a pure video filming. So this one will be the pure audio, and then second one is the video filming. So then the next one will be the multimedia production. It is a process of making a variety of artistic or communication media. So you will use a communicative media to give your production. So using variety of multimedia connections. So this one will be the radio production. It is a process of recording an audio broadcast via radio. So the good example of this production will be for example, Papa Jack. So it's only a audio recording, but this audio will be broadcast via radio. So that will be the radio production. So the next one will be video production. It is the process of converting an idea into a video by capturing moving images and editing this video. So with this video production, you can edit video or cut some scenes and capturing a different images. So that will be the video. So the last one will be the web production. It is a process of creating web designs and content. So with this web production, for example, we're going to create a website that have a formal designs. So you can create some process or put some codes and syntax to build a website design. So that will be the web production. So let's go with the pre-production. It is a process of production or stages of production before you publish your final product. So before you create that final product, you need to take these stages to make a good quality or make a proper value and quality of your production. So first, it is a pre-production. What do you mean by what is that definition of pre-production? From the word pre, this involves all the work necessary. So this involves all the work necessary to plan the production. So more all about this pre-production is all about planning with your production or what you're going to create a production. So this involves all work necessary plan that in the production. So it is the process of preparing all the elements of a video or audio production, including planning and storyboarding, so script and writing, scheduling, and props and costumes making preparation. So this production is all about preparation before you create a video and audio production. So let's go with the production. So production, it is a process of capturing a video or recording an audio. So this a production, when it comes to production, it is the middle of stage when it comes to create a audio video production. So this will need a camera to record your scenes about your pre-production plan. So this includes the lightnings, so what type of light that we're going to use, and distance from the camera to the subject, so camera movement, so under of production, then camera angles, onset, ambience, and using microphones. So with this stage of production, this stage is for actual recording or creating a video clip and then audio clip. So in this stage, you're going to create on that. So the last one will be the post-production. So post-production, this includes all processes that after the production, like editing or titling, exporting, and etc. So post-production is the work completed in the studio. So first the video is assembled, then sound is added. So with this post-production, that the member of your team, the one of the one that hold about, or the task about editing, video editing, audio editing. So post-production, under of post-production is that. So when you have a team that is good in editing and titling, so this stage will be on her or him. So give on that personnel this stage. So for editing and creating a title of your clip, or of your video production. So this topic is just a two topic only, like types of production, stages of production. So get ready for the, I hope that you listen carefully, and then get ready for the quiz that I'm going to post. So that's all.